Hello everyone, you're on the GTcast channel and today I got this package. This package should be from MSZ. So MSZ is Metal Speed Zone. And we'll open it right now and see what inside. Let's go. So I get my knife, which I usually use in all videos to open something. So let's cut it and we'll see what inside. Very good package. Yes. Let's see what inside. Paper for oh, everything fall apart. Okay. Oops. Let's see what inside. So I see new something new. Oh, it's a new design for cars, and I think cars looks a little bit bigger than in last editions. And I have last editions of these cars. So MSZ first cars was like this one with this one design. Was first. Then they had this one design that you can buy now in store. It's available. Yes. And now they have new design for MSZ. So this one is, oh yes, yes, they bigger because last ones was 164 scale. This one 1 to 48. Oh, okay, okay. 1 to 48 Suzuki Jimny 2018. Okay, yeah, a little bit bigger and I think better. And cool chic auto. Okay, cool chic auto. Suzuki, next one. Oh, everyone have different scale. Okay, this one have 1 to 57 BMW the 4M40i in red color. On number plate BMW. Good cars. Next one. Oh, 1 to 58 Toyota GR Supra 2020, I think. This one is really cool. All the details on the back, on the front, even logo Toyota. This one, very cool. Some dents on the car, but I think it's okay. Also, they have working suspension. I think yes. And this is how it looks on the back. Okay, last one of the small scale cars. This one is 1 to 64 BMW M4 GT3 in yellow color, and this one I think is 2023 or 2024 year BMW. I don't really know, but you can comment in comment section and say that I don't know something, and you will be right. I am wrong. Okay, and I see in the back something big ones. Pagani Huara BC in white color, and it has closing doors. Yeah. Don't closing. This one is from 1 to 76 to 36 scale. This one is pretty nice. I think I will have separate video on this one and that one. We'll see right now what is this one. Okay, and the last one from this package will be Volkswagen T1 in big red bus. Sunroof. Okay. Also, they have these models have pullback option, so you drag it back and it will ride forward. Opening doors, sounds and light. So if I will remove this one, open the door or the back trunk, it will have sounds and light. Yes, and size up to 5.5 to 7 feet. Inches, I think. Yes, inches. So you can see where are the lights and sound. And press hood, sound, light. Oh yes, if you press it, it will run like when you with key, you know. Thank you for the watching, and thank you MSZ for these cool gifts. So thank you for the watching. See you soon in next video. Bye bye.